In this animation, we will describe distillation. You can obtain pure water from a solution of a solid in water by distilling the mixture. The first type of distillation is simple distillation. In this round bottom flask, we have the salt solution. Here we have the thermometer, and this is the condenser. Water will flow into the condenser from the bottom, and it will flow out of the condenser at the top. And here we have a receiving flask. The salt solution will be heated by using a Bunsen burner or an electrical heater. We will start heating. When the temperature reaches the boiling point of water, it will turn into vapor and then it will pass into the condenser where it will condense back to liquid and it will be collected in this receiving flask. So over here we will have pure water and salt will remain in the round bottom flask. So again, here we have a salt solution, which is a mixture of salt and water. We need to collect pure water. We will start heating. As the temperature increases, water will turn into vapor and it will pass into this condenser. Then it will be collected in this receiving flask. Which of the following is a good description of the process of distillation? It's melting followed by condensation. It's evaporation followed by condensation, or evaporation followed by freezing. Remember that in distillation, first of all, we will start heating until the liquid turns into vapor, so this is evaporation. Then the vapor will condense back to the liquid phase. So which of these is the correct answer? Excellent. It's evaporation followed by condensation. What is the temperature on the thermometer when the solution has been boiling for a while? Remember that we have pure water, and pure water will boil at exactly 100 degrees Celsius, which is the boiling point of pure water. While water is boiling, the temperature will be constant at 100 degrees Celsius, and then when there's no more pure water, the temperature will rise again. So the temperature will be at 100 degrees Celsius. Actually, we can separate a mixture of liquids with different boiling points by using fractional distillation. This uses mostly the same apparatus as simple distillation. However, we will add this fractionating column. This fractionating column will allow better separation of the liquids. So, for example, we have ethanol and water. Ethanol has a lower boiling point than water, so it will boil first. It will pass through the fractionating column and then into the condenser, and it will be collected in this receiving flask. There will be some water vapor while ethanol is boiling. However, it will condense back inside this fractionating column and get back into this round bottom flask. When there is no more ethanol, the temperature will rise to 100 degrees Celsius, and then we will start collecting water.